In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a template to a page in Shopify. This is an incredibly useful skill to have, as it allows you to customize the look and feel of different parts of your online store, giving your customers a unique and tailored shopping experience. Let's dive in and get started right away. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a panel with several options that help you manage your store's setup and functionality. From this panel, click on the Online Store option. This is where you can control your store's appearance and manage content. Now that you've clicked on Online Store, you'll notice a drop-down list. From this drop-down, select Pages. This is where all the pages associated with your store are displayed. You'll find all sorts of pages listed here, from your About Us page to various product information pages, and even potentially a blog page, depending on what you have set up. After selecting Pages, you'll see a list of your available page types, each representing different parts of your store. To proceed, simply choose one of these page types by clicking on it. You'll then notice on the right-hand side of your screen, there's a section that includes a drop-down for template selection. It might initially look a bit crowded, but don't worry, it's quite straightforward once you know what you're looking for. Click on this template drop-down menu. Here, you'll be presented with a list of available templates. Templates allow you to modify the layout and aesthetics of each page type to better align with your store's branding or promotional strategies. Choose the template that you believe best fits your page's purpose and style. This could be anything from a simple, minimalist design to something more vibrant and detailed, all depending on your brand's personality and the story you want your pages to tell. Once you've selected your desired template from the list, you're essentially done. It really is that simple. You've successfully assigned a template to a page. This small yet impactful change can significantly enhance your shopper's experience by offering them a visually appealing and cohesive storefront. And that's all there is to it. Assigning templates is an easy yet effective way to effectively tailor areas of your Shopify store to reflect the unique characteristics and values of your brand. So, go ahead, experiment with different templates, and see what works best for your store's needs and audience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.